Hi, I'm Steve Groves, head chef at Roux at Parliament Square, and this is a Real Chefs collaboration in partnership with Real Kombucha. Today I'm going to cook some Socca pancakes with some broccoli, a little bit of cream cheese, some wild garlic and a little bit of chilli. So we're just going to pick some three-cornered garlic. I'm just in my garden at the moment, so got this lovely three-cornered garlic growing wild down the end of the garden. So just going to pick some of this, really lovely flavour. Let's get to the kitchen, start cooking. The chickpea pancakes, so made with chickpea flour, so gram flour. I top it with some broccoli, a little bit of chilli in there and some cream cheese. The chickpea flour into a bowl. I'll add some water. Just give that a mix. We want a nice smooth batter. To that I'm going to add some garlic. I'm just going to grate the garlic, use a microplane. Season it with some salt and pepper, quite generous with the salt in there. Pepper, I think, if you had some dried thyme, rosemary, things like that, that'd be great. I want to put a bit of olive oil in there as well, good glug of that. Pop a little bit in the pan as well. Get the pan on a nice high heat. And what you want with this pancake batter is really nice and kind of crispy on the edges, slightly charred, but still quite creamy in the middle. I'm going to cut the broccoli quite small. So just cut these florets into quarters. I'm just going to flip that over. I'll chop my chilli also. I'm just going to cut some nice slices of chilli. And then also what I'm going to put in this mixture is some of this three-cornered garlic, which I just found in the garden. I'm going to pop that on a plate. Just leave that there for a second. I'm just going to put a little bit more olive oil. I'll put my broccoli in there first. Get that broccoli really kind of roasting off. I want to get a little bit of colour on there. And then these bits of the three-cornered garlic, I'm just going to cut into some nice lengths, probably a couple of inches long. This broccoli is going to take on a bit of colour, but it's not really going to soften up too much. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of water to the pan. That's going to help it steam, soften up. Is reduce all that water away so it completely evaporates. And then I know that I'm not losing any flavour of the broccoli. It's all going to be in there. It's all going to be really delicious. Now I'm going to take some more of these three-cornered garlic. I'm just going to cut it into nice thin slices. We don't want too big chunks of this because it's going to be raw, and it's going to go into a little bit of cream cheese that I've got here. Just going to add that three-cornered garlic in so that just wilts. I don't want to cook it too much. Okay, we'll just pop this onto our pancake. Okay, and then I'm just going to dot some of this cream cheese over the top as well. So it gives a really nice creamy element, but also a little bit of acidity as well, which just really works nicely with the pancake itself. That's it. This is our Socca pancake with some broccoli, three-cornered garlic, chilli, and cream cheese. My choice with this would be a glass of chilled Royal Flush Kombucha.